Hello. Thank you, Madam Asisama Ba African Professor Mamu spokesperson with chief linguist. My chairman platform Sunuma Bomodran subscribe share hit notification bell to be a new video be able to on Sakabintin. Like it, share it, join the African Professor family and Americans Hano Ba ye nyabro for Simbia ha. Obana ba ye ho e Simbia wunya Simbia wa create video. Neka wa de but men ha insinuity. That's not what we do here. It is only as a symbia can I say a symbol can be a tab more a tab as more men come member. Because I symbia me can be agree with me, but at least who barber Kenyas as some one Mekanyas as some forget it. Until one more time we African professor one mom's spokesperson with chief linguist. Like share near enjoy conversation together. Come on, minimum din matu me say. Former President Bawumia may be the best president Ghana will never have because Vice President Bawumia may be the best president Ghana may never have because as some the me person the tintin me say and Ukraine pa hwemu a kebi anka Bawumia and the president that were so far the best in Ghana. But we may never have him. Ye be ani ye nya no da. If we say, and then a person church musi si achremono. First, me some church if you cry the anti-cry Bawumia e Lucy, because enka nyasa kese say no. Enka we wouldn't be having this conversation at this point. Kebi cry kese no. Say the Ghana for ya muka musi kese enka mo friend mo excellency. Excuse me. So, can you say, Kamoka, Your Excellency, Dr. Bawumia. Now, one of the major reasons about Bawumia Lusuyan, I am contemporary entro not on his part, but entro from the opponent, political opponent, no more, Omujano, no. It's obi etanwa. Usually was sacred the way I would dance no achiane na the way I say so the way no one yenisa because on poasum e can no connect the biano. Now that's what it is, part of human condition. Obi or time hunu enti Bawumia say no. One of the major reasons Bawumia Lucy no I am intro about Bawumia and about Bawumia you see and about Bawumia only akufadu nyina ye pe woni akufadu and say sia that anybody can tell me will be my point in my catch him say Nana J as a vice president of your friend say Mahamano or no and the color shot and also on a chip Mahama the onye says you come up and a cry in every home penquara qualano because no become Mahama didn't any massam and ordinary chiswasam. So the mention home penquara qualano and to the point Mitchell say the first will be a vice president doesn't mean say or control and I say or on a running president because at the end of the day, no cabinet meeting. President, the president has the last word. And you can make all the suggestions, you can make all the analysis you want. At the end of the day, no president, can agree or disagree, and I say can adapt your policies, and I say with suggestions, and I say not. And so Ghana for no trans can say, oh, Bawumia ni akufado nyina pena akufado someone akufado I say economy with quote unquote. And because of that, Bawumia can't be it's a lie. And no NDC at the Nama. Oma can propagate this story. You come for this baby, no. Oma can get because one to one and then 21st century near the dinner. Internet age, social media age, the Omo Green Juju, and ye drone Obiso a gospel singer now. A friend say, ye the name or Tunuma or person in you hit ya or conforming person in you by hitting, ye the Omo Ekusi Ninyuno, Ewesi. Now somehow you get a lot of people believe that they sit there and then comforting a baby, China for name, Omu and Kofobi, Singapore, no money at Malaysia, no Tiko, come before so. Ombumba economy, and you Omuniama and put to acquire anymore. Yet you want to stay, we talk about Juju. You talk about it, now you Juju and a determined man. I say, Juju to me say near my idea. Now then the point say, I don't need Juju soon to me 1 year money. I didn't think Ghana and Africa into me worker because in Quebec's Africa, 108 the seed of Juju. Unti and Kofobi to and then some Hunu So because you are doing kiti obia ka sem bi kira o ma no nka me ka we nyina amana kwa kwesi se me ka we nyina amana kwa kwesi se. I know the topic of this video. Me ka we nyina amana kwa kwesi se. The reason about me Lucy and say yonkophobia o ma dwen kiti e ofie Ghana. Enti asem bi o mbeti bia no obi ba na oba be bu no kra no de ahobrase nkrama ahobrase na oba na me ho tise bra mpache ho tise system mpache ho tise me pache wo ye kwase mpache wo ya aboa no the moment abeka so bi me pache no wo ya aboa no nipa no didi na tam kra amfa ho na no bi na NDC for ye Mahama na ni stock in trading no na make say Mahama that's all Mahama does. And he said I can't even me trust busa ho say there's no way say you can pick somebody like Bawumia ni Mahama gina na Ghana for to me hwe nyame anim ka je say Mahama and they say lead Ghana. And somehow people believe it because and confront the lies being contemplated to Ghana for trim and no amplify no cause can ya and a year to say the no crack. And he says, "Say, what you said, Mahama, yeah. I don't even see any difference between what Mahama is doing today and in Mahama, pre 2016 Mahama. It's the same old. But someone that is what we are. And to the person can say, one of the reasons me say Bawumia may be the best vice president Ghana may never have. They say, in contemporary, omu I draw around and also my build it around him. It's so immense, so great. Say, so it will take years to peel off all this in Toronto about him because we been any Muslim me for pride to me. Say, Bawumia and you crimony papa, Bawumia we preko. I wouldn't say Muslim for no. One of the Omachiwadi and as Muharram, a preko pork, mi preko. And so someone could forbid me kaya money, a toyamian Muslim for nitim. My video first I didn't be, and my young Muslim for Egidi. Say, Bawumia, and your crimony papa or we preko. You see, those are the lies. Any panel, you're competent. Any panel, and any I acquire fasu a lady. And so because say in contemplating you did nanako fado me kura me niwa de kura nanako fado pa aya say yeah nanako fado may have the way he does things in terms of the behavior and attitude towards people but we can separate that from say the competence level. So but me person just Mahama ne sa enkrama ho brase ni ade no want me translating into leadership and as management Mahama sa what's up top but me no ade a wodi biti Ghana and say onkofo bi say Sam George no okute oku jeto blakwa Sami Jamfi ho fifi force no ni ade ato force so ho anom atwa ne ho hia eno mu twa ntro nti Mahama twa ntro no mu amplify ntro no and I just say omotima kama somehow I said Bawumia we evil we say nti ena mechanism but so what the Bawumia pa ne Mahama gina wa say in terms of competency in leadership maza ena make say Bawumia when you president that but Bawumia was a vice president and there's a big difference between vice president and a president. Mahama a president and in Ghana for munim ni capabilities munim ni track record because as we so eti no oh eti sad eka ho bi enama Bawumia want me an winning presidency no ena ade ba ko say Asante region is Rana is almost taken over by other ethnic groups in Ghana. So enti they even do amount for Ghana and when you are sorry or bashi Asante for near then Asante regions is here Asante for the yankophobia son and near so and because who call that regional almost saw other ethnic groups no say the Asante here it is okay buy it to the voting party near the dinner party no and kophobia NDC crowd winning what numbers now based on where the nakatiche FIFA make his point to be a very very solid point what numbers no NDC gaining was not the region no crown. And also chair voter region about voter region for NDC for nyaya. Almost say voter region your more abandon. We share numbers now. NDC nyaya was Asante region. Now they compare numbers now. Your friends NDC nyaya voter region. It doesn't even come close. But someone no only in contemplate to and comfort to mama and you man a voter region for now say somehow no NDC and ha wo omu ho adwempa na NDC and omu ba ombamo ho atom somehow no and Asante region for so ti and I don't know what is wrong with them say omu kwa na ehwanimu said you ya ji obia trouble bia biwa ewa Asante region Kumasi and so they don't share Asante values. They don't even respect Asantes. Omukofo no omo betra Asante for Asante region omo ani twam hu di Asante for atem nti so tin krofo bi omo abokyira omo sori omo di Asante for atem ni adade omo kram so omo ya Asante for onu ma de kuntia omo betra Asante ebi omo no maame no papa no betra Asante region eno omo sua kasa no nti omo ti ben kura che sebse otumfo kura nti omo di Asante for kasa ena di Asante for atem eno omo kram so omo ya Asante ni comment I say obi wa wo free voter region o mama free voter region o papa free other region na claim so ya Asante because somehow ne bia o ko elementary school ni middle school e wa Asante region ti we Asante na if you cry let's even assume say what better Asante region enti why adapt Asante culture near there why don't you I don't think that uti krobi mu o pese o better why adopt kro so kro na mo values there o pese o be adopt your values anything in America to say na America no oba na so to America Nessa who share American values near that now Tia say me babe practice communism and as socialism there. There's America for no. I see a palm free chromo amako because omo values ni oba na dia amo krone develop no amo krona ye omo what it is no omo the kind of people omo identity no oba all the different identity be na eba say obe undermine omo dia na. What do they have to do? Ebi na Asante regiment here no. Nti sorry abana ye two ye no a 2024 no a whole bunch of people are omo Asante region no. Omo to my NDC. So because of you mukra na say other ethnic groups near there no omo ya take over Asante region. Asante for say omo kromo no so Asante omo tutu kwan akotena ba binu near there. Nti say man from for na fa Asante region. And omo sorry so no omo say di Asante for atem. And yes you ti one ye hwe omo ye. Enti binu no nka omo sori omo si MPP ya Asante party na why na make can say she voter for Asante region numbers are NDC nyae na fa compare numbers are MPP nyae voter region omo nyina they vote en mass for one party and dey nkofo nka ho asemo ukosirem so a esirem ho nyina omo sesirem ho nyina northern region omo to my NDC and dey and so Asante for two Bibi my MPP people make say hey Asante party na Asante for so atiada to me the point me making say the me come when you now me akwa say side a freestyle to talk about a range of issues a whole bunch of issues dem say you nuanom ti ase ne say Asante for no mo ye hwehwani mu ache se ba yima nim say party we na mo so mo pa mo to e ma say the voter region mo so de mo nyina NDC no adenti no mo nyina to ma NDC ukosirem ho a me no mo nyina to ama o mo krom ni o to ma gonja mahama adenti na mo de mo timi to ma your friend say party a mombo pe MPP because already no ya title say mo ye MPP ya Asante party even though say ya Asante party so no 2024 ye di ceremony mo osan kremuni and e de ne beto ye de lady Asante for party the so called Asante for party mebwa the so called Asante for party no ye di ceremony and lady ye Mahama Timko Jina be say there's no way say Asante party MPP e betumi ama 10 and also be a free nothing LED and so look at this eyema your friends Bawumia omo hu say Bawumia leading no pe MPP pe they were shocked they were taken off guard and you know then they have to strategize they have to come out with some lies and start here build walls of lies around Bawumia. It is someone kind of one's dream baby until they can see through the lies until they believe all the crap NDC propagate against Bawumia. So it in a market say but I don't care what anybody say there's no way say toe to toe what the Bawumia Mahama Jinaupa in terms of competency. The guy doesn't even come close. Mahama doesn't even come close. But guess what? He has learned how to learn to Ghanaians. And then I'm a Ghanaian for Ghana for also have learned how to believe him. And it doesn't matter what anybody says. Everything Bawumia says is a lie. But they be a Mahama Bekano. And Mahama be anywhere we may say politician be anywhere or Bagana we going to butcher Mahama. Because we be a NDC no crown Rollins no. Oh, but we know about Mahama. Why? Ask yourself why. What is the reason? I didn't try. You know it. Because when you say Mahama kind of credit, we're fake. That's so true. I think command person who dear and say, me say, former Vice President Bawumia may be the best president Ghana may never have because of the reasons I'm a member and contemporary Asante for bebre omu ehwe ni mu no ya dia omu timi yi omu nim say MPP ni yesemu ye MPP party a adenti no mu nyina mu nyima nim to na ma sa tra ma Asante region man from afa agiafa nkofo omu share values bebre they don't share Asante values and omu ti no mu esa twa ho di atam etane na mu ti ho na mu timi ka hwe eti ko ma person di one more time we Africa professor and subscribe share with friends and family. I talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.